Hi, I'm Cassie Joy. Welcome to my crib. Bus. House. Come on in.
Look, and he stopped my world as we fell into the stars. Now I'm shook.
So if you guys follow me on social media, you see how crazy my traveling schedule is for my music, and it's my husband Bryan and I and our two little dogs always on the road in our F-150 that we love so much. But we were sick of not ever being home, and I haven't unpacked my suitcase for almost 2 years now, since my time on The Voice, which was incredible. But we wanted to have our home with us anywhere we went, and so we bought this bus. So we're gonna give you guys a tour now because we've had so many people asking to see the inside, and I am absolutely in love and I can't wait to show it to you guys. Come on, let me show you around. Okay, so here is the kitchen, which, that's Bryan falling, it's fine. When we were looking at buses, Bryan would be telling me all of the crazy spaceship parts that it had, like the diesel, I don't know, and the motors of whatever with seals and, you know, all
diesel
the things.
Pusher, baby.
Yes, of course. But I'm like, baby, show me the kitchen. And I feel like I totally hit the jackpot here. This is an induction oven. Induction. Stovetop. It's not an oven. I don't know what that means, except that only pans like this work on it.
Ferrous metals, things that can be magnetized.
Of course. I'll just dub my mouth instead of that. And this is my favorite thing in the whole wide world. We are total coffee addicts. This is our Ninja. What is it called? Coffee Ninja.
Coffee Maker 10,000.
Yes, we love it so much. And then here, this is something else that I knew nothing about. This is a microwave oven. Like
a convection microwave.
Yes, so it's like an actual what? It's a real oven! Like, you can put, I don't know, I really still don't know much about it, but look at all the things.
Yeah, you can bake, you can broil, you can
bake, you can broil, you can cook. Don't use foil. Or can we use foil in there?
Well, there was no.
We're still learning. Let us know in the comments.
Okay, if things burn down soon, you know why.
Yep. Got a nice big sink. Love it, girl.
Oh, show them the most convenient path.
Oh, yeah! This is, okay, so this is something that I was like, Bryan, you're being bougie. We do not need this. We'll just use paper plates. And he was like, no, definitely not. So we have a dishwasher. And it's actually really awesome, and thank you for making us get one with a dishwasher. I love it.
Can we get that on record again?
Yeah, let's put that in instant replay. Thank you for making us get one with a dishwasher. So also it's good for storing my one wine glass that I was allowed to have on the bus, and so it keeps it safe when we're driving on the road. It's also just good for storage. And then trash cans under there, super exciting. All the pots and pans. Another really big thing, literally it's big, we have a full-size fridge with mainly wine, cheese, and cookies, so
disregard.
We are off the keto for just a sec, it's fine. We got a little booth area section. This is where I usually get up pretty early in the mornings before Bri to have kind of my tranquil self-time, and I journal here, and I'm sometimes mixing music here at this table, and it's kind of my little office, and it's really pretty in the mornings. And this is my soul mutt, Danny boy. I have no idea with all of these cabinets. There's just so much storage that I wasn't expecting. If you guys were watching my Instagram story when I was going through my my hoarding addiction and trying to sell literally everything that I could out of my closet and out of the whole house, because we went from 1,700 square feet to this, and now that we're in here, I'm like, crap, I guess I didn't need to get rid of as much stuff. So now I'm trying to figure out like how to refill the cabinets. So the hoarding begins. Okay, now we are going to look at the bathroom. There's also this cool spaceship-like thing that makes the windows all go down at night, which is super tranquil. I love it, and it makes me feel like I'm Tony Stark. This, most importantly, I made this wreath, and I was so sad about moving into the bus for one reason, and it was that I wouldn't have anywhere to put my wreath. This whole thing was part of our wedding on our little arch, and then I made this little L with burlap that Bryan didn't think that I needed. Well, look who's laughing now, Bryan. Okay, here is... Okay, with the wreath. Here is our first bathroom. This is where I send Bryan when he's in trouble. Okay, a lot of people have been asking this burning question, and I know that you guys want to know as well. Where do we do our laundry? Well, in a little baby washer and dryer. Works pretty good. I had never used a front, oh, yep, it's fine, we bought it, so it's ours. I've never used a front loading or like a stackable washer and dryer, so it's kind of weird for me to like put the clothes up there, but it's good for like a Jane Fonda workout. Got a little baby ironing board in there. So that's the laundry. Okay, now time to see the bedroom, my favorite part. We finally upgraded to a king size Tempur-Pedic bed. It's so incredible. We have 2 dogs that sleep with us, and now everybody can do yoga in here. It's amazing. We hit our heads on that pretty much nightly, wouldn't you say?
That? Oh
On
gosh.
these.
I bet we could count chips in it.
Oh my gosh. So it's weird, like when we moved down to a bus, condensed.
Yeah, consolidated.
Consolidated.
Yeah.
Yes. I can't reach anything now,
No.
which is the craziest thing.
Everything
like,
in here needs a step stool.
yeah, I thought that everything would be my size, like a little hobbit house, and I can't reach anything, but Bryan has been hitting his head on literally everything.
Yeah, I'm under concussion protocol right now. I look like Hellboy.
Yeah. Can't form
here and
sentences
here.
anymore. So we got all the storage, we got the new bed, everything. I love the lighting in here. We even have a ceiling fan. Bryan and I are the absolute hottest sleepers. Comment if you are as well, and please let me know your solutions, because we haven't found one yet except to have 2 fans going and open all of our windows at night and then just close our door and then leave the heat on out there. But we let it get to like 40 degrees in here sometimes, and it's tranquil.
Yeah, like refrigerated meat.
Yeah. Here is another really cool, unique, kind of custom thing about this bus that we love. It's got a full bathroom with a full vanity area that I love to get ready at. There is a skylight right here, so the lighting is amazing. Okay, full-size mirror, which I kind of didn't have that before, even in our house. You can expect some outfit of the day pics coming soon on my Insta. The closet was something I know you all were really worried about for me, and let me tell you, it's actually really messy. So don't actually look, but like look, but with your eyes closed and your hearts open. So that is all that I thought I was gonna have room for in here, which mainly it's like my robe. And then turns out I have like all this space because Bryan's slowly just gonna get kicked out of here. And there's like a whole thing back there, so I have to figure that out. That's very stressful right now. I have to figure out how to organize that. And then this is Bryan's side.
Which actually looks great.
Actually, it really does, and I'm embarrassed now, so bye.
She says I'm the sloppy one.
Oh yeah, get my adorable little thing. That's Danny's
Yeah.
Salsam Blue. He gets dry skin. Okay, I gotta show you guys the coolest part, in my opinion, about the bus, and I'm gonna let Bryan show you guys.
Yeah, so unfortunately there was one sacrifice that had to be made. As you can see, Big Bry, little shower.
Oh boy.
So this actually isn't that bad.
You're gonna have the cleanest neck.
Yeah, I've been thinking a lot about this, and it's great exercise.
It is. I think it's great. I think it's good for you. It's good for the soul. You'll never appreciate a real shower if you never have a short shower.
New video coming soon, me making a skylight here.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah, it's not gonna happen.
Yeah, it is. You're fine. I don't see what the problem is. If you would just be a normal sized person, you could do all the things in the shower. Bryan, tell us about this thing, this spaceship.
The most important part of this video, all the like doodly stuff about it. When we were looking for a bus, we wanted to make sure that we had one that wasn't going to leave us stranded like, you know, you would look for in any vehicle, but to us that meant more about finding one that's got the right amount of miles. Sometimes low miles means they've sat. Sitting's the worst thing that can happen to some of these. Also getting one that has the right amount of power so that we can...
Enough power.
Oh. Damn it.
We had to make sure it was powerful enough to pull the truck.
It's a Tiffin Allegro bus. It's got an ISL Cummins motor, 425 horsepower, 1,300 pound-foot torque.
I love those.
Yeah. It's got a 2-stage engine brake. It's actually pretty easy to drive. Out on the highway, granted it's 44 feet long. It's more or less a glorified car. When I got this thing, I was in Dallas, and I drove up from Dallas to Texarkana, to Little Rock, to Memphis, to Nashville. We got in really early. You'll see the video about that. And then I went later that week from Nashville up through Kentucky to St. Louis, over to Kansas City. So I've got roughly...
I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere.
Yeah.
And my seat even reclines.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, so great. Driving our house. Who would have thought? The dogs are adjusting amazingly. They love all these perches. And, oh, you want to show them Danny's little bed? So here's where I was gonna originally just store the pillows and shove them down in there. But Danny loves it so much to lay there and hide his bones and check to see who's out there. So I guess that's it. I don't know what else to show you guys, and I got to get ready for a show tonight. I'm playing a writer's round, so I will see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in.
I got my red lips red.